Hello, welcome to DPS 2019. I'm Surbhi and I have with me my core data platform geeks member Sandip, who is also a speaker at this summit. Hi Sandeep, welcome to the conference.
Hi.
So Sandeep, while we'll come to your organizer's experience later on, but first I would like to ask you a few things as a speaker. That for how many years have you been speaking at DPS?
From last 5 years I'm speaking in DPS.
Okay, so how has your experience been?
It's always amazing, and every year I come I have a different experience, and every time it is better.
Okay, so this time which session did you speak?
This time I speak about art of feature engineering, and this is related to machine learning.
Okay, so how were the attendees in the session? Were they interactive or was it just a one-way communication?
The wonderful audience, wonderful attendees, and from the beginning of the session they started questions, and it was quite interactive. Till the end it was quite interactive and very good.
Okay, awesome. So Sandeep, since you are a technical person, I would like to ask you this question that over the last few years we have seen a perpetual shift in technology trends, especially in the field of data, with so much new stuff coming in. So what is your message to the world? How should they cope up with this?
Okay, so see, the technology will definitely gonna change. Not even last 5 years is going to change again in future also. I believe in that the fundamental concepts are more important, and the technology will make your things easier. But it's up to the organization how they adopt. The early they adopt, it is easy for a person to pick it up. And also at the same time Microsoft is giving you so many free tires to learn by yourselves, and that's really good. And I would definitely encourage everybody to explore using the free tires.
Great. So what is your message to the world? Why should they come to Data Platform Summit?
um, if you're really serious about data, and if you wanted to see all experts under one umbrella, then definitely I would say anywhere in India or in any of the in world anywhere you wanted to meet to any of the international speakers, so come to DPS and meet them and get their experience.
Great. So thank you so much, Sandeep, for being a speaker at DPS. Now, one final thing: how has your experience been as a volunteer and as a core DPG team member at DPS?
That's always satisfactory, and I always feel that that we both are in the same, from long time we both work together, and really it gives a different kind of feeling, and you feel complete when you are part of both as a speaker as well as a part of the organizing committee.
I second you on that. DPS is now more of an emotion for us, and now when it has come to an end, the last day, it's the only feeling that I have is nostalgia.
Absolutely, and the brain is completely empty. I don't know what to do, because last 1 week is completely occupied with that, and right now suddenly it become empty. So I don't know. Really, it is quite touching.
Yeah, so it's okay. We look forward to meeting again next year, working towards DPS 2020 and organizing again a great event for the audience out there. So thank you, Sandeep, and we wish to work together going ahead.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.